Eighth problem. X plus y minus 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 by 11. Here they have given is equal to between all the linear equations. Take 2 and compare. Then you will get two simultaneous equations. I am taking first these two. I am simplifying, doing cross multiplication. X plus y minus 8 by 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3. Do cross multiplication. 3 into x plus y minus 8 is equal to 2 into x plus 2y minus 14. Everybody knows 3 table. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y plus into minus minus 3 8s are 24. And 2 table everybody knows. 2 into x, 2x plus into plus plus 2 2s are 4, 4y plus 4y plus into minus minus 2 14s are 28. Now bring variables one side and constants to other side. 3x minus 2x because plus 2x comes inside minus 2x plus 3y plus 4y comes from right to left minus 4y is equal to minus 28 as it is right, minus 24 coming from left to right is plus 24. If you subtract 3x minus 2x is x, 3y minus 4y is minus y is equal to minus 28 plus 24 is minus 4. This is equation number 1. Go for the second one. X plus 2y minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 by 11. Sir, I will take first and last, no problem. Is equal to is there. Any equation you can take and compare. Are you able to follow? So, first with these two you took. Next, sir, first and last, if you take also you will get again same answer. No problem. Now again do cross multiplication. 11 into x plus 2y minus 14. 3 into 3x plus y minus 12. 11 into x is 11x plus 2 11s are 22 plus into minus minus 11 14s are 154. Otherwise multiply. Next 3 table everybody knows. 3 3 is 9. 9x plus 3 into x 3x plus into minus minus 3 12s are 36. Now here also the same thing. Bring variables to one side, constants to other side. 11x minus 9x plus becomes this side minus plus 22y. Here plus 3y is there. Bring this side minus 3y is equal to first write minus 36 here. And here minus 154 comes here to right side plus it becomes plus 154. 154. Now simplify. 11x minus 9x is 2x. 22y minus 3y is plus 19y is equal to 154. 154 minus 36 is 118. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Now I want to eliminate x. In the place here the coefficient of x is 2. So I am multiplying the first equation with 2 table. 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 8. With 2 I am multiplying. So 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 8. If you want to eliminate y with 19 you have to multiply. 2 table is easy or 90 table is easy, you decide, you know which table is easy. So everyone prefers for 2 table. So I took 2 table and multiplied the first equation I got. Now I am eliminating. How to eliminate means signs are same, I am subtracting. So subtract, then the second sign equation sign changes. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus and minus get cancelled. Minus 2y again minus 19 will be minus 21y is equal to here also minus 8 and minus 118 If both are same signs, we are going to add them. Again, same sign will come. Minus 126. Now, minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 126 divided by 21. 21 goes 6 times. 21 6 are 126. So, now we got the value of y as 6. Substituting y is equal to 6 in equation 1. Why I told you? Which one is simple, easy, substitute in that equation. Are you able to follow? So, x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is the equation 1, very simple. So, x minus, in the place of y you write 6 is equal to minus 4. Now, x is equal to minus 4 as it is. Minus 6 you are taking from left to right, plus 6. So, x is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, the values of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. Ninth problem. X by 7 plus y by 3 is equal to 5. Next one, x by 2 minus y by 9 is equal to 6. Two simultaneous equations, simultaneous linear equations are given. Did you observe in your previous class and now? In your 8th class, they gave linear equations in order and we solved. Now, in 9th class, disorder, we have to make in order. What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In that shape, we have to bring this one. You two can understand. In 8th class, you will be in order, you will be good. Coming to 9th and 10th class only, you will be in disorder. In the same manner, these problems also. We have to keep in order, then we have to solve. Without keeping in order, we can't solve. So, the shape we have to bring out. If two simultaneous linear equations are there, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, equation 1. Second equation will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So, two simultaneous. So, we are going to bring in that order. Now, whenever we are adding fractions, the method of LCM, we have to take addition of a fraction, subtraction of a fraction, we have to take LCM. For 7 and 3, there is no common table. So, 7 3s are 21, direct. 7 goes 3 times, 3 into x, 3x. 3 goes 7 times, 7 into y, 7y is equal to 5. Do cross multiplication. 3x plus 7y is equal to 21 5s are 105. This is equation number 1. Now coming to the second one. X by 2 minus y by 9 is equal to 6. For 2 and 9 also there is no common table. 2 9s are 18. 2 goes how many times? 9 times. 9 into x, 9x. Minus is there means put minus. Plus is there means put plus. Now again 9 goes 2 times. 2 into y, 2y is equal to 6. 9x plus 2y is equal to 18 6 are 108. This is equation number 2. Now I am seeing I want to eliminate x. So the first equation I am multiplying with 3. 3 3s are 9x plus 7 3s are 21y is equal to 105 into 3 is 315. Now 9x plus 21y is equal to 315. 9x minus 2y is equal to 108. Here the signs are same, we can't add. If we add 18x it will come. So when we subtract, the second equation, the second linear equation sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Now both get cancelled. Elimination method. We eliminated x. Now 21y plus 2y is 23y is equal to, subtract 315 minus 108. You will get 207. Y is equal to 207 by 23. Now 23 how many times goes in 207 means 9 times. So y is equal to 9. Substituting y is equal to 9 in equation 2. I told you, sir, once you are taking one time you are taking one, another you as you wish, means simple equation where it is easy to solve, substitute in that one. 9x minus 2y is equal to 108. Now in the place of y you substitute 9. 9x minus 2 into 9 is equal to 108. 9x minus 18, 2 9s are 18, is equal to 108. 9x is equal to 108 minus 18 goes, that's it, plus 18. 9x is equal to 126, addition. X is equal to 126 by 9. 9 goes 14 times. So x we got 14. Therefore the values of x and y are x is equal to 14 and y is equal to 9. Eleventh problem. 4x plus x minus y by 8 is equal to 17. Another linear equation. X plus 2y is equal to y minus 2 by 3 minus 2. This is also not in order. We have to make in order. 4x plus x minus y by 8 is equal to 17. Fraction, addition of a fraction. This is not fraction, you may think. 4x by 1. So adding fractions, method of LCM. We are going to take LCM. 8 will be the LCM. 8 4s are 32. So x, 32x plus, as it is, because 8 goes in 8 one time, 1 x minus y is x minus y only. Here plus is there, no need to put bracket. If you put also, if you are not putting also, no problem. For minus compulsory you have to put bracket. Is equal to 17. Now 32x plus x is 33x minus y is equal to 8 17s are 136. This is equation number 1. Come to the second one. X plus 2y is equal to y minus 2 by 3 minus 2. X plus 2y as it is equal to, here LCM. You are going to subtract fractions. 2 by 1, both are fractions. Method of LCM. 3 will be the LCM. 3 goes in 3 one time, so y minus 2 as it is minus 2 3s are 6. Sir, why you did not keep brackets, sir? You told when minus comes bracket. Here single term is there, one term only. If 2 terms are there, compulsory you have to put bracket. Are you able to follow? Don't keep doubt as doubt. That doubt will be a doubt in coming days. So now do cross multiplication. 3 into x plus 2y is equal to y minus 8. 3 table everyone. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 2s are 6. 6y is equal to y minus 8. Bring variables to one side. 3x plus 6y plus y comes this side, minus 5 is equal to minus 8. Now simplify. 3x plus 6y minus y is 5y is equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. I want to eliminate x. Here x is 33, here x 3. If you multiply with 11, 3 11s are 33. So multiply complete equation 2 with 11. What will come? Equation number 1 as it is, 33x minus y is equal to 136. Multiply with 11. 11 3s are 33x plus 11 5s are 55y is equal to, plus into minus minus, 11 8s are 88. Now the signs are same. When the signs are same, we are going to subtract. By this time you are become expert. Plus, and the second equation sign changes. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Now both get cancelled, plus and minus. Minus y minus 55 is minus 56. Same signs we are going to write and write. Add and we are going to write same sign. Here also, here plus and here also plus. We are going to add and write same sign. 136 plus 88 is 224. Now, we are going to find the value of y. Y is equal to 224 by minus 56. Minus 56 y means minus 56 into multiplication becomes division with the sign. 56 goes 4 times. So y is equal to minus 4. Therefore y value we got minus 4. Substituting y is equal to minus 4 in equation 2. 2 is simple. 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 8. In the place of y you write minus 4. 3x plus 5 into minus 4 bracket minus is there is equal to minus 8. 3x plus into minus minus 5 fours 20 is equal to minus 8. 3x is equal to minus 8 you write first, and you are taking minus 20 from left side to right side plus 20. So 3x is equal to 20 minus 8 is 12 plus 12, the bigger number sign. You know 20 minus 8, first class, second class standard problem. Now x is equal to 12 by 3. 3 goes in 12 4 times. So x value we got 4. Therefore the values of x and y are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 4.